Insert rows into table using SQL. In our previous video, we created customers table in online store database. The table exists, but it is empty. It has 0 rows. Now, we would like to add some rows into this table. Let us say that the first customer we would like to insert into the table is Amit Sharma. Let us write the query, insert into the customers table. Insert and into are the keywords, and customers is the table name. Next, we need to provide the values for this row. Customer ID is 1, first name is Amit, last name is Sharma, email is amit@example.com, 10-digit phone number, city Mumbai, and sign up date 2026, Jan 10th. Please observe that the values for this row are enclosed in parentheses and the individual values are separated using commas. Also note that text and date values are written inside single quotes. Looking at the values, we might understand which value should go into which column. First one is the ID, Amit is the first name, Mumbai is city, like that. But how does PostgreSQL know which value goes into which column? If we give a value for every column in exactly the same order as in table, SQL could map these values without an explicit column list. However, explicitly specifying the column names makes the insert statement easier to understand and safer to use. So we will use column names throughout this course. Also, please remember that we must use the same column names that we used when creating the table. Let us write all the column names. Here they are: customer ID, first name, last name, email, phone, city, and sign up date. Also, the order of the values must match the order of the column names. Now, we have written our complete insert statement. Let us select this statement and run the statement alone. One customer has been inserted successfully. Now, let us display the table by running the select query. In output, we can see that the customers table now has one record, Amit Sharma, and the values we gave went into the columns respectively. We have 3 more records to insert into the table. We can insert these records one by one, just like we inserted our first record, or we can insert all 3 records using a single insert statement. Let us copy this insert statement and write the 3 rows one after another. Observe that we are separating each of the rows by commas. Now, this insert statement should insert all these 3 records in a single run. Run the statement. All 3 records inserted successfully. Let us display the table. Our customers table now contains 4 rows. Notice that Neha does not have a phone number. So we use null for the phone value. Null represents a missing value and we write it without single quotes. The general syntax of an insert statement is this. We start with the insert into keywords followed by the table name. Then we specify the column names inside parentheses. After that, we use the values keyword followed by the corresponding values inside parentheses. Please notice that we end every SQL statement with a semicolon. The semicolon marks the end of an SQL statement. pgAdmin may execute a single selected statement even without it. But when we have multiple statements in the editor, semicolons clearly separate one statement from another. So throughout this course, we will consistently end our SQL statements with a semicolon. In this video, we learned how to insert one or more rows into a table. In the next video, we will learn how to fetch data from a table using select statement.